What do you see?
Sand.
Imagine if we could look so closely, we could see each grain, each particle. You see, there are patterns in everything.
Integrals, infinite series.
I've never seen anything like them. From an Indian clerk, ill-educated in Madras, I would very highly value any advice you give me.
Letter for you. Postmarked England.
Yours truly, S. Ramanujan.
What does the S stand for?
You can ask him yourself.
You intend to invite him here?
Don't forget me.
I could never.
Are you Ramanujan by chance? Oh, don't be intimidated. Great knowledge comes from the humblest of origins.
For the good of everybody, you should attend some lectures.
But I'm here to publish. The letter only contained a small sampling of my discoveries.
This will take a lifetime.
Maybe two.
We need proofs of your work.
But they are right, sir.
I hadn't completed that proof. How do you know?
I just do.
You don't pull a stunt like that in my class.
Now get out!
How do you know that theorem?
It came to me. These steps you want, I do not know how to do.
Where do you think you're going? This is our home.
Don't you know what I've given up to be here? I have nothing. You wanted to know how I get my ideas. God speaks to me.
There are no proofs. We're just supposed to take him at his word?
No, you're to take him at mine. Why do you do it?
Because I have to.
There are no proofs that can determine the outcome of matters of the heart. We are merely explorers of infinity in the pursuit of absolute perfection.
I owe you so much.
No, no, no. It's I who owe you.
1729 has any mathematician knows the story behind this. One of the most brilliant mathematical minds to ever walk the planet was an Indian mathematician by the name of Ramanujan. Self-taught genius, and almost went undiscovered, but sent his work to a few leading mathematicians in Europe, and one of them, a fellow by the name of G.H. Hardy, took his communications seriously enough, brought him to England. They published some of the most original mathematical work in the area of number theory that's ever happened. Well, as a story that illustrates Ramanujan's brilliance, when one day when Hardy visited Ramanujan while he was in the hospital, they were making small talk, and Hardy said, "You know, the taxi cab on the way to the hospital, the number was 1729, and I couldn't think of anything interesting about that number." That's what mathematicians talk about, you know. And Ramanujan said, "No, Hardy, that's a very interesting number. It is the first number, the smallest positive number, that is the sum of the cubes of two positive numbers in two different ways. You know, it's 10 cubed plus 9 cubed. It also happens to be 12 cubed plus 1 cubed. So the fact that this is equal to these two things isn't so remarkable as the fact that Ramanujan just spontaneously recognize this property. So that's a classic story, and I mean a true story. Yes, please.